Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to cover guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys phone date and time setting, how to use phone date and time setting, how to set date and time in Infinix mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, open your phone setting to set date and time. After turning phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone system setting. After on phone system setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, you can use phone language setting, date and time setting from here. Friends, click here date and time setting. Friends, you want to set date, you want to set time, you cannot set. First of all, click here use network provide time and off use network provide time. And friends, now if you click here date setting, so you can select date and you can set date in your Infinix mobile. Friends, I will set here 7 May and we will set time 7 o'clock am pm. Friends, you can adjust from here am. Time you want to show pm, select time, ok option. Time and date will set in Infinix mobile, you can check. Friends, time will show 7 and when date will show here Sunday 7 May. So like that friends, you can set date and time in Infinix mobile. And friends, you want to use time zone setting, so off your automatic time zone, you can select time zone and you can use time zone setting in Infinix mobile. And friends, again if you click here, you cannot select time zone. Use network setting friends, you want to use your 24-hour format setting. If you on, after on guys, your time will not show 7 p.m, time will show 19. So like that friends, you can use date and time 24-hour format setting. And guys, again if you click here, your time will show 7 p.m. So friends, after 12 o'clock, time will not show 1 p.m, time will show 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 if you on use 24-hour format setting. And friends, you want to on lock screen dual clock, you can on and you can use it. And friends, now click here use network provide time. Date and time will set automatic correct time and correct date Saturday 6 May and 11:40 am. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.